Hi, in this video I'll show how to use application for converting XLF files from Excel. On my computer you can see I have a translation Excel file. I don't have Excel installed on this computer only, and it's not required for creating XLF files. But I have Excel Mobile. It's like free version of Excel. It's viewer, and it's not allowing me to resize anything in it. But you can see it's showing that I have three columns. First column is translation resource name. Second column is translation source, and third column is translation target. And I will be using this Excel file as example to show how to use application for creating XLS files from Excel. Your Excel file may be different, but as soon as you have these three important fields for XLS, like resource name, source, and translation, you will be fine with using this application. So in order to download application, I'll go on this website. You can I will link on this site into description. To find application, click on search and type Excel, and I need this Excel to Xlf page, and I click on download button to start downloading process, and wait until archive will be downloaded on my local computer. I'll be recording more videos on different converters from for different applications that will create an XLF file from different sources, including CSV, Word documents. So if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. You can see archive downloaded. I'll click on downloaded archive, double click on MSI inside archive, and click on more info here. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not a registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. So I'll just click run anyway to start installation, click on next, next install, click on yes, and click finish on final screen. And you can see application has been installed on my computer, having a shortcut on my desktop. So now I can close up this window, and also it's very important if you are using Excel file as a source, please close it in any other application, especially in Excel. Because Excel locks files permanently and it's not allowing other application to work with it until it's closed in Excel. So it's always a good idea to close, otherwise you will get errors that application cannot access file or file is being locked by other app. So I will close it and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. In step 1, we will have to select source Excel file. I'll click on this button, navigate to my folder where translation files are here, just click open and select my translation Excel file. Click on next step. In this step we'll have to match what XLF columns with Excel columns, right? So ID column, I don't have ID column in Excel, I can leave it empty, it's okay. Resource name column, in my Excel file is called transunit res name, but if you have a different column name, it's fine. You would just select, as soon as you match XLF column with appropriate Excel column, application will work. So select source, select target, click on next, and on final step you just click run to create XLF file. It's asking me for name and location of the file. This name is okay, you just click save, and file has been saved. Now I have a XLF viewer. It's a free app. I will link on this app into the description. It can show what is inside of XLF file, like in table. I can filter, search, and export into different formats if I want to. Also, I can open XLF file just in Visual Studio Code just to show you that this is correct XLF file with all data and all translation in it. So yeah, basically that's it. We have Unicode, we have characters, and XLF. So if you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. If you'd like to see more application like this and more video like this, please subscribe to my channel and please like this video. Thank you.